Hello and welcome to another Enjoying Sunday. This will be a sunflower Sunday because today I will be sharing my recently purchased home furnishing items which have sunflower print on them. Sunflower symbolizes bright sunny day, so to get rid of my boredom, I wanted to use sunflowers in my living room makeover for this week. I have bought 7 amazing items for this makeover from Amazon. Let me show you all the items first. The showstopper of this makeover is this very commonly found sunflower print cushion cover made of soft jute fabric. It comes in set of 5 and is priced only 300 rupees. The second item in this list is this 4-seater tablecloth, and this matches the cushion covers perfectly. It cost around 350 rupees. The third item is again a table cover, but this one is PVC fabric, so it's water and heat proof. If you have seen my previous videos, you will know that I always buy 2 table covers matching to the makeover theme because I have to cover a dining table and a shoe rack top, both placed at my living room. The fourth item is this sofa cover which comes in a set of 2 and it is perfect for a 3-seater sofa. This item is little costly, it's around 650 rupees, but the quality is very good and it's made of velvet. The fifth item of the list is this premium quality doormat. This item is of rupees 350, which may sound little costly, but the look and feel of this item is awesome. It has a very soft velvet touch and have an anti-skid back. This makeover will have no sense if I don't add an artificial sunflower for decoration. These flower branches comes in a price range of 200 to 250. The last item of this list is a fridge top cover with the same sunflower print as in the cushion cover and the tablecloth. This has 3 pockets on both the sides as most of the fridge covers has. And this cost around 200 rupees. I had purchased a transparent table cover long back from Amazon and always put it on top of the designed table cover to add a layer of protection from the dirts and dust. So this transparent table cover is a must-buy item. After placing all the furnishing items at their right place, I tried putting flower branch in a vase. But I was not satisfied with the overall look. The photo frames with these leaves on the wall was somewhat not looking so attractive. So I went ahead with my crazy idea of plucking all these sunflowers from the branch and pasting them tightly on the photo frames with back-to-back sellotape. The best way to do this is to buy loose artificial flowers and insert them inside these photo frames, but I didn't have time to order those loose flowers as I was already done with this week's makeover. I have given the link of all the loose sunflowers in the description box of this video, so do check and give it a try for your living room if you want an accent wall with photos and sunflowers. So now this is the final look of this sunflower themed decor. So this was the most simplest and budgeted makeover of my living room. The prices of the items that I mentioned in this video was the price when I bought those items from Amazon. But as you know, price keeps on changing at Amazon depending on the discounts and deals availability. So to know the latest price of those items I used in this makeover, you need to log into your Amazon account or check the links of the items given in the description box of this video. I absolutely loved all the 7 items because they are so bright and colorful, but most beautiful among all of them is this doormat. Sofa cover came in a pack of 2, so I used one for my sofa and the other one for covering this sitting bench. So that's all for this week. I will be back next Sunday with another set of home decor products. Till then, stay tuned and enjoy shopping. And don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like to shop home furnishing and decor items from Amazon.